XRP triangle tightens as token falls 6%. Watch this price level for further breakdown. The move reflected cautious accumulation rather than broad conviction, as trading volumes remained below trend despite multiple volatility spikes during the session. XRP traded in a range on Monday, gaining 2.75% to $2.34, while underperforming the broader crypto market amid subdued participation. The move reflected cautious accumulation rather than broad conviction, as trading volumes remained below trend despite multiple volatility spikes during the session. XRP climbed 2.75% to $2.34 over the 24-hour period, but lagged the CD5 index by approximately 2.5%, highlighting divergent sector performance. Volume fell 6% below the 7-day average, with 24-hour turnover signaling only mild institutional engagement. The session opened with strength before encountering steep reversals. Prices fell from $2.51 to $2.35 before staging a late recovery to $2.34. The sharp intraday breakdown triggered $420.8 million in volume, roughly 400% above average, confirming firm resistance at $2.44 and defining $2.33 as the emerging support base. The final hour saw a modest 1.4% uptick to $2.353 as traders repositioned into the close. Market structure showed range compression as XRP oscillated within a 20-cent corridor, reflecting tightening volatility ahead of a potential breakout. Institutional rotation remained selective, with capital flows favoring Bitcoin and Solana while XRP's relative strength index hovered in neutral territory. Ripple Prime's U.S. launch and persistent ETF speculation provided macro support, but price action continued to respect the descending triangle pattern dominating higher timeframes. The token's long-term holders increased daily spending by 580% to $260 million, signaling ongoing profit realization despite stable inflows. XRP trades within a consolidation range bounded by $2.30 to $2.35 support and $2.60 to $2.72 resistance. The $2.54 pivot zone remains decisive for directional bias. The descending triangle pattern connecting lower highs from the $3.15 peak continues to suppress breakout momentum, while EMA ribbon compression suggests an imminent volatility event. Volume analysis shows declining participation during rebounds following high-volume sell-offs, a classic bearish divergent setup. Unless XRP can sustain trade above $2.54, technical momentum favors continued consolidation with potential downside toward $2.25 to $2.02. Traders are watching the $2.54 resistance zone as the technical inflection for breakout confirmation. Sustained closes above this level could flip momentum, targeting $2.80 to $3. Conversely, failure to maintain $2.30 support risks renewed downside toward the $2.20 range. Despite subdued participation, XRP's compression setup offers asymmetrical risk for directional traders seeking pre-breakout positioning. Market volatility remains elevated, with options implied ranges expanding for November expiration contracts, a sign the market expects decisive movement within days.